Ah, hey, good morning, fellas. It's Friday. It's Friday. Who's excited? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Travis. How we doing? Hope you had a good overnight session. Travis, I know you trade the overnight session a lot. I have been really thinking. I've really been thinking about trading the overnight session with these accounts. I haven't done it yet, but yes, last night overnight session wasn't that great. Wasn't that great. So, but during the earnings season, I feel like trading overnight is a legitimate play. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Trading Ever After. Good morning, Timbo. Good morning, John. Hey, R5 Studios. Good morning, Peter Schapp. Here's Johnny. Martin AP, Jack Wiley, Francis. Good morning, Max 90. NP, Felipe, good morning. Perfect Play, good morning. Phil, good morning. Let's go, boys. I just have this feeling. I've got a feeling we're gonna have a great day. Oh, we need the clock. Yes, I had to restart my computer. And then I forgot the clock. There we go. Mr. Wall Street, good morning. Trading Ever After. Oh, Craft Costanza, good morning. Might be a little choppy one. It's nice and sunny Friday. Yeah, I don't know what to expect today. I have no idea. I don't really have a bias today either. Feel like again, yesterday really kind of threw me for a loop. Had such a big bullish move in the overnight and then just massive sell off. And then we just kind of chop lower. Overnight session, we kind of chop lower, but now right at the opening, we've gone higher. All right, market is open. And let's just wait and see what happens. Let's wait and see what happens. We're getting a pullback right here at the open. It's going to be a repeat of yesterday where we just go lower and lower and lower and lower. When you think it's about done, it just keeps going a little bit lower. Hey, thank you, Francis. Yeah, hit that like button while you think about it. That'd be awesome. All right, making it down to the 350s. We might find some support here at this 350s. If this is really wanting to go higher. I'm not in a hurry this morning. We will be chilling and waiting. All right, we're getting a little bit of a bounce off the 350s here. All right, we're bouncing. We bouncing. See how bullish this is going to get. Is it going to rip or not? You're biased to the short side this day? Okay, interesting. Trading ever after you blew your sim account. You're in timeout. You are officially in timeout. If you blow your sim account. Oh, that's too funny. Trying to pass 550K evals. Wish me luck. Hey, good luck, Sanage, I think. Good luck, sir. Dump day Friday. Man, why are you guys so bearish? I was kind of thinking this thing might pull back a little bit, and then we're just going to rip, and we're going to go test these. We're going to go test these highs again from the... But, hey, what do I know? I might be completely wrong. Let's wait and see. All right, down the 340s. Looks like we're going to go test that VWAP. Gonna go test the VWAP. See if we keep going lower. You're in. Here's Johnny. Hey, good luck. I'm always bullish, says John. That is true. That is true. That is very true. Design now. Everything above the overnight low is bullish. I mean, we'll find out. I don't know. I'm not really biased this morning, actually. Feel like we could pull back. We could see big pullbacks today. Kind of like yesterday. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't really have a strong opinion, but this is pulling back here, right here at the open. All you short guys looking good. Hey, good morning, Sharoos. Good morning. All right, all the way down to the 320s now. She ripping lower. You guys were right. At least it looks like you guys have been right. You think the first leg was yesterday and today's another one? I mean, I was looking at my... I don't know. I mean, I could be. I'm kind of looking at it. It's a test. It's testing that downtrending channel, like on the 4-hour chart. it's testing that channel on the down, like the bottom of the channel, and we're just, I mean, yeah, if we go below the 270s, I think we could see this thing rip lower, but hey, if we go down and we start trending lower, then I'm going to look for shorts. But in order for me to be actually considering shorts, is we're going to have to lose the lows of the 240s, and we're going to have to go below the 200s. I'm not going to look to short until we lose the 200s, then I will. In my opinion. Good morning, Matty Matt. I need to get some water. All right. I will not trade anymore today, says Matty Matt. All right. Unplug that machine, man. Throw away the cord. You can always buy a new one. All right. Looks like, I mean, it does look like we want to go lower right now. So if you're short, I think I would be okay right here being short. Let's go, Mr. Wall Street. Hey, Thomas, good morning. Oh, I see, Matty Matt. I do not need all the accounts to be the same profit amount. Oh, you have an OCD problem, I see. Same as me. Hey, D-Versatility, good morning. Good morning. All right, we're kind of respecting the VWAP here. Kind of. Was the PCE news good? Oh, yeah, I wanted to check. I don't think we have any other news today. Looks like, yeah, we have 10 a.m. We have revised consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. So I guess that could move the market a little bit. Shouldn't be much, though. I don't think it's going to move the market that much. Okay, now we're getting that bounce off VWAP here. Be careful if you're short. This thing might want to rip. If we get above the 350s here, look out. And immediately the bears rejected that 350 level. We chilling. Oh. See if we can get above the, we need to get above that 350 level for this to really look okay for a long. I'm not taking it, but pretty big wick there. That's not a good sign for the bulls. Looks like the bears are still in control. All right, we just gonna maybe just chop around the 320s now. Whatever happens today, let's just not have a barcode session today. Let's not do that. No more bottom hunting. Yeah, Sharouz. Bottom hunting is a painful experience. That can be a very, very painful experience. Lots of clenching, lots of praying. Followed with lots of crying. By the way, one thing I wanted to talk about. So one thing I've been on my trading, one thing that I have been just keeping track of, and I think I might need to. I'm not done tracking my results. But one thing I started tracking is every trade I go in. Like I track how much a loss, like I'm trying to see if I shouldn't, like my winning trades. I'm basically tracking my winning trades. So my winning trades, I'm tracking to see how much drawdown did I go through before it hit my profit target. And also what, like, I'm basically trying to figure out, okay, a 40 tick pullback, like how much profit target, how much profit would I have been in before I experienced a more than 40 tick pullback? Because I think this is what I'm trying to confirm, but I actually think I could have a tighter stop loss and a bigger profit target than I currently do. Oh, the MA number? MAE, yeah, MA number on Ninja. Okay, I got to check that out. Trying to find the optimal place to set my stop loss. Yeah, exactly. Not only trying to find the optimal place for my stop loss, but also trying to find my optimal place for my profit target. Because I feel like 22 ticks has just been kind of my default, which I'm okay with. But when I have a really good entry, then so far I could, so far my profit target should be like closer to 36 ticks, but that's with a limited amount of data. So I need to get more data. All right, we're trying to make a move above the 350s here. This is starting to look like we are respecting the VWAP. Let's see if it continues. Let's see if it continues here. Yeah, it's still not wanting to break. It's not holding up. It's just wicking down below the 350 again. Still feel like the bears are in control as of now. Looks like we're gonna chop around here the way this is looking. MFE is maximum favor excursion. How far in profit? I see, but that only would be valid if you don't have, I think I know what you mean. Yeah, and the other thing I'm tracking, I'm not sure how to track my losses, like, because you also, when you do this, you have to also know, okay, I could have, for example, if I start moving my stop loss to 40 ticks, then I need to track, would I be sacrificing winners if I do that? Because there could be times when I'm 25 ticks, 30 ticks in profit, and then it rips against me and stops me out. So it's kind of a lot of different things that I just right now I'm just manually tracking it. Okay, I see what you mean, AD. That makes sense. That makes sense. All right, lots of wicks here. We tested the EMA. Let's see see if this holds up. Hey, Toasted Talks, good morning. I've caught 3 out of 4 trades today on my 300K PA account. You have the lifetime, you're up 488 for the day. Let's go, Toasted Talks. That's awesome. That's a great way to start it. That's great. That is great. Oh, wow. Look at that rip higher. All right. Let's see if we get above this EMA, get above the pivot point here at the 355s, 360 area, but starting to look kind of bullish. Hey, nice shrews. 7 points. Nice trade. All right, here we go. 360s. Here we go. Target is $1,000 payout for today. Nice one-day trader. Let's go. Good luck. Up 1,100 on your take profit. Nice. And now we pull back again. Come on, just keep going higher. Hey, Carolina. Your power just went out? Uh-oh. Man, I gotta say, buying a battery power, like a backup battery supply for my PC has been a really, really good investment. Really good investment. I have a backup power supply for my computer, and I also have one for my internet. So if we experience a power outage, I won't get cut off on my internet or my computer, and I'll have about 30 minutes time to officially get out of trades and shut things down. It's very, I mean, if you're a trader, I feel like that's a necessity. Yes, I have, John. I've had to use it during last winter. Or in the springtime it was, maybe I used it a lot, where the power would blink on and off throughout the day, and it was really nice to not have to worry about getting cut off. Your power never goes out here. Uh-oh. John's power's about to go out, guys. He jinxed it. All right, we're pulling back again down to the 340s. You've been here 10 years, only going out once? That's crazy, John. Yeah, it's only $150 for a good PC backup power supply. It's not that expensive. Wow. Hey, yeah, if you're in the hurricane path, prayers to you. Hopefully you stay safe and yeah, make sure you stay up to date on the weather. Is the power line underground, John? Expander 4. By the way, yeah. All right. This looks like we're going to keep ripping higher. Looking pretty bullish right now. We can get above the pivot point, take out the high of day. If we take out the high of day here, we are going to be looking. We are going to be interested in a long. Hey, Kraken, good morning. Go and Trades, good morning. The batteries on those things go out after a couple years. Oh, really? Go and Trades. That's good to know. I will say my battery backup that I have for my PC, it only lasts about 20 minutes, which is still fine. Like, it gives me plenty of time to get out of my trades and shut everything down. So, not that it's fine for that, but my computer also takes a lot of power. I need a solar generator. We were talking about doing a backup generator for the house. Maybe we will at some point. Right now, that's just not really a huge priority for us. Matty Matt. Well, market, what's the plan? Could be in for another leg lower here. I guess we'll see. You have a whole house generator design knob? Generac? Yeah, that's what I was looking in. And it's directly hooked up to the gas line. Yep. Power goes out, you don't even know it. The whole street is dark and your house is sitting there. Yeah, my neighbor has a Generac hooked up to the gas line as well. Anytime the power goes out, I kind of start not liking my neighbor. He's sitting there all high on his mighty horse, and he purposely turns on all of his lights just so everyone around the neighborhood knows that he's the guy that has a backup generator, kind of rubbing it in. Very funny. Very funny. No, I'm sure he doesn't do it on purpose. Imagine powers go off plus gas. Yeah. That's what I need. Oh, wow. Okay. We are making new lows here. Alrighty then, folks. We tried to get above that EMA. We tried to get above that pivot point. Rejected. And let's see how low she will go. How low can she go? 290s here are next kind of area of support. 290s, then the 260s, and then all the way down to the 240s. So we shall wait and see. You're his neighbor and you're doing it on purpose. I would probably do the same thing. It's like, oh, you mean you guys don't have power? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me turn on all of my outside lights. What a bunch of plebs. All right, we're double bottoming here. Let's see if this holds up, or are we going to rip lower? We shall wait and see. I think we're going lower. That's rude. Oh, yeah, we do have news at 10. True. Thank you. Thank you, Brothers Clash. My neighbor does the same thing, even turns on the garage lights, which is totally unnecessary and arrogant. Hey, maybe that is actually a thing. I always kind of thought it was just, but I'm starting to think maybe that's a thing. You got to flex on your neighbors when you can. I'm sure my neighbors don't like me because of my lawn. My neighbors probably say all kinds of bad things about me because of my lawn. Oh, I actually know that my one neighbor that lives kind of behind us, his wife, I was mowing the lawn once, and his wife came out, and she's just like, hey, I just wanted to say that you have such a beautiful lawn, and I just love how it looks. Meanwhile, her lawn is got weeds everywhere. He mows it's just not great. And then she goes on and says, she starts asking questions about, how do I get my lawn to look like that? How do I get it to have stripes? She starts asking all these questions, and I start to realize what's happening. I realize what actually is happening is, the news is coming out. So this is does look like it's going to affect the market. Not much, though, the way it's looking. Higher, lower, whatever you want to do. But anyway, it was kind of funny because the reason it was funny is that next spring, her husband is out there putting weed and feed and stuff on the lawn and putting fertilizer on the lawn. And then he bought a new lawnmower, and now he's striping his lawn as well. Oh dear. I had to think, that guy hates me for sure. Cause the wife went and it's like, yeah, I talked to him, and here's what you need to do. That happened. And he's looking over at me like, you bastard. It's like, hey, I'm sorry. What can I do? What can a man do? Yeah, thanks a lot, buddy. No, in all seriousness, our neighbor, they're very cool guys. I have really good neighbors. We get along really well, but I'm sure at times they've muttered under their breath, like, man, that guy's lawn, that is not, I know there's people that are like, that is not necessary. And I'm like, you're right, and I don't care. Maybe he did it to keep you off his old lady. Oh, Red Poker. I need to start reading your messages before I just say it out loud. Oh, man. That is so wrong. Oh, man. Do I have photos of my lawn, JL? Oh, you don't say. You want photos. Oh, I love showing off my lawn. Give me a good opportunity and I'll do it. Give me a second. Actually, guys, I don't think you guys have seen my lawn. I don't think you guys have seen my lawn since we have the new backyard. We put in a patio this spring. Let me see if I can find it. I was gonna do a video. Oh boy. I was gonna do a video. I'm not even sure where did I put my videos? Yeah. Can I show this? Oh, look at that move. Jeez, what is going on here, market? Here, this. I don't think I've shown you guys the patio, so I'll show you guys the patio. What a rip lower. This you can see the lawn a little bit, but right here was new grass. It didn't come in that well, but I love our new backyard. This here, all this is new. We put this in this spring. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I should have a before and after photo, but I don't. Coupon code for Wendy's. What a rip. What was this move? Jeez. Hopefully no one got trapped in that long. That was ugly. Thank you guys. I thought you were playing The Sims. I mow all that with no help. Yes, I do. Very, very gladly. Actually, here, if you want a real I need to check. This is me mowing this spring. This was last year spring. That's me mowing. Fun times. That is a lot of fun. I don't know. I didn't do a great time lapse of it, but there's nothing. Oh, excuse me. There's nothing more satisfying than mowing the lawn. I'm rich. No, I'm not rich. Trust me. I'm definitely not all that affiliate money hard at work. I mean, I had this place before I even started streaming, but I have about 3 acres. I have about 3 acres and about 2.5 acres of lawn. Ideally, here, okay, here. This is what I would love to do. This is like my dream. Hang on. I got to show you guys. I was showing the wife this the other day, and she just kind of rolled her eyes. She rolled her eyes, so I don't know. I don't know what that means. Now this video is even better. This video is this, you can see the before and after photos of the backyard. But right here, so I like right in here, I want to put a putting green in, like right here. And then the tee box would be like right here. I could have like 140-yard par 3 course in my backyard. That would be my ultimate dream. But yeah, you can see like some of my the neighbor that I was talking about, he's like, you can't see him, but he's behind here, but lots of fun. uh I need some garden. Yeah, I know. I know. Who does my lawn? I do. I have someone that comes and sprays it for weeds and stuff, but other than that, I take care of my own lawn. What about a swimming pool? Yeah, see, I'm not rich enough to have a swimming pool yet. It's going to take a couple more years. A couple more years and a couple more payouts. When do you tell your boys that mowing the lawn is better? Red poker. I can't say that. I can't say that. Spray painted green. I'm gonna be say yeah, I want to that I think I would do a putting green before I would do a pool. I don't think I saw the Daryl John shit. All right, market. It's kind of holding up here. This VWAP is holding up so far. But man, I'm scared about this trap. This trap here, that was nasty. We chilling. We're just gonna we chilling. I have the Browns end zone painted in my lawn. Right now, the Browns do not deserve. I will not promote the Browns right now. They're too embarrassing. A44. Yeah, so the drone I have the Mavic 3. I on a fresh battery about 40 minutes. Actually, is it 40? It's probably closer to like 35 minutes that I can have the drone up to do the time lapse. So all right, let's see if this 320 area will continue to hold. Okay, here we go. Test. We're below that 320. And looks like we are about to go lower. There she goes, down below the 310s. Let's see if this is going to trap. There it goes, down through the 290s. Interesting. At 290 level was support right there. 285, 290 level. Man, it is starting to look like we're just gonna be going sideways, which is unfortunate. What if you come back from Florida and you find Design, John, and I are living in my homestead? Hey, as long as you take as long as you take care of the property, I don't, I wouldn't be too mad. My wife just brought the Oh, really, Mr. Wall Street? The DJI Mini? Oh, that is a sweet little drone. That's a sweet drone. I love drones. I love drones. I love the there's a couple drones. See, if money was just not an issue, I mean, I'm sure you guys probably dream as well, if you had all the money in the world. You know what I would buy if money was not an issue at all? Here, I'll show you guys what I would buy. This is what I want. I want that. I want that. This is a crazy. This thing is crazy. But if money was not an issue and I had millions of dollars, here, right here, this is what I would buy. The DJI Inspire 3 you can get like different cameras for it. This is like this drone is insane. You have a full frame sensor, interchangeable cameras with different. It's just crazy. Look at that thing. That thing is a beauty. The best of the best, and it can do. It's crazy. It's crazy how great that thing is. See, that's what I need. I need that drone, and then I need to remake this video. Hang on, I gotta show. I'm sure there's some of you have already seen this video, so but here, I gotta show this again. Wait, did I not upload that other video? What? Okay, yeah, I did. Here, I need the Dow is ripping. Why not $47,000 long? John, this drone actually costs more. This drone is closer to 30,000. But I need that drone so I can remake this video. I made this video with my Mavic 3, but I want to remake it with the DJI Inspire 3. What you're seeing here is the seasonal change. Like this is summer, and then it fall, and then winter. I don't care. This is probably my most, I am the most proud of this video of any other video I've ever made. And it was by far the hardest video I've ever made. It took over a year to make this video and even longer to edit it. It took forever. To try to get everything to line up. And that's what the other would be so much easier to make this video if you had a better drone. You could do way better job on it. Notice how the road here wasn't done and then they made a new, they repaved it. But there would be so many cool things you could do with that drone. Someday, maybe. Maybe someday. All that hard work, I upload the video, and it has 150 views. It has 150 views. I remember I uploaded this video and I thought, man, as hard as I worked, and then it got like 100 views. That's it. That's when that was probably 3 years ago. And I'm like, yeah, I give up on YouTube. All right, market. We need to focus on the market here. I'm getting distracted. Distracted by all my hobbies. All right, we are down to the 290s. Yeah, the van vanished. Your first drone? Yeah. Oh yeah, some of the drones are terrible. Orlando, nicely done. Up 1,800 on the week. Yeah, Sharouz. I need to change the title. I was actually wondering like how, because I don't think my title is really good, but I don't know. Like there are not many videos on YouTube that show the seasonal transitions in an overlay in one video. Like there's some that do like a photo where it just kind of blends from one photo to the next photo to the next photo. But there's no videos that I could find that show the seasonal transitions like this video, but I don't know. We should make Kingpin too. That will never happen. Oh, that will never happen. Jaw-dropping impossible season changes with the world's best drone. Amish man embraces electricity. All right, keep it coming. Give me ideas for the YouTube. Give me ideas for how I need to change the title. I'll do it. I'll do it. I will do it. I'll change the title. It has to be relevant, though. Throw Amish in there and it'll go viral. Oh, dear. Everyone will be like, Amish, what? There's nothing to do with this video. Has zero to do with Amish. Oh, man, that's too funny. You guys are funny. I tell you what. Well, look at that. We're going just barcoding today. Probably should look at a short here, to be quite honest. I probably should. You guys are hilarious. It would be awesome if Nutty wore traditional Amish attire one day while streaming. Dude, I should. I should. I could too. Maybe I will. I'll grow out my hair. First, I'll have to grow out my hair and do the bowl cut. And then I'm going to grow out my beard. No, actually, I'm not going to do that. Do it for the Halloween. Oh, that's too funny. If I had an Amish beard, yep, I did. I remember when I shaved it off. Oh, man, you guys are something else. Oh, man, this is actually where I should enter. If I get filled, we're in. I might not take this full amount here, but come on, don't do me dirty. It trapped me. You kidding me? I got trapped. We got trapped, guys. Ouch. Ouch, that hurts. Oh, I could just kill it here. There's still a chance it'll work, but man, that was not good. Seems to be very volatile right now. Feels bad. Guess we're going to let it work. Let's let it work. Let's not freak out. Stay patient. But man, what a terrible fill. I mean, I like that we rejected off of that, so maybe we're still okay. Maybe we'll still be okay here. But we really need to get this. We really need to rip this thing lower. Come on, rip it. It's just, it's not. Doesn't look good, folks. This is where I go back and forth between. I think it would be smarter just to kill this before it hits my stop, but maybe. Come on, just rip it lower. Do it. Do it. Big, big red candle. Do it for the stream. It's not going to do it. It's going to rip here. I can feel it in my bones. Feels bad, guys. Feels bad. Oh, man. That was such a terrible, terrible fill. It's how I've gotten trapped in the past, too. I don't know how to stay away from it. Ah, that is frustrating, though. Stream is red. Yes, everything's red. It's blood. Blood is in the streets. Oh, I'm in a trade? No, hang on. Unfortunately, that is a glitch. Yeah, it shows like it's still in a trade, but you're actually not. Now watch this rip lower. This is going to frustrate me. Watch this rip lower. Unbelievable. That sucks. Do I take it again? Oh, do I do it again? I mean, I almost have to. I almost have to. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Rip it lower. You can do it. Man, this is very risky here. I'm trying to get a bigger move here, but I might get stopped out for break even. If I do, I just got to accept it. I'm going to be sad if I get stopped out here, but oh, of course. Of course. I'm sad. I'm sad. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Ouch. I can't take that again. Oh, I just needed that to. I mean, I feel like if this would have lost the 290s, if it would have lost the 290 here, I think we would have. I just wanted to trail it. I just wanted a nice trailing runner. Oh, now it's going to go. I'm going to be sick. Please go higher now. Please. Oh, man. That is brutal. That is so brutal. Sorry. Sorry, trading is funny. I'm gonna vomit if this rips lower now. Oh my god. Oh. Whoo. Oh, that hurts. That hurts my soul. Man, oh man. Oh well, I guess it is what it is. Man, this is starting to trigger me. Mm. I mean, I'm really. I decided I'm not going to get greedy here. I'm just going to take one. Now it's going to rip. Yep, there it goes. Oh my gosh. How ay. This is insane. Oh, market. The market is sometimes evil. Just how? How do you do that? Yeah, Sharoos. I know. Yeah, I guess my stop was just too tight, Captain Kirk. I don't know. I mean, I don't really feel like I don't know. I don't know. Like I don't know how to play that. The only thing I could say is like this trade here, I should have just kept my stop above this if I wanted to look for a runner, but even now this would be really difficult to hold. It's just kind of rough. I don't know how you I don't know. Just kind of is what it is. Just kind of is what it is. Just very volatile, and the wicks make it very difficult to trade. These wicks are making it maddening. It kind of now feels like it wants to go higher. It's putting in some really big wicks here on both directions. I don't know what to expect. All I know for sure, the only thing I know for sure is the NQ, she crazy. She crazy. That's the only thing I know with 100% certainty. It is tempting to go long, but I don't want to go against this downtrend. It's not worth it. At least not now. Yeah, maybe that's the problem, Black Coffee. NQ is bipolar. Yeah, NQ is like, I always say, NQ is like that crazy girlfriend that's on heroin and bipolar. The 5 minute chart, I don't know. I've looked at the 5 minute. I don't know. 2 minute is what I trade off of. I look at the 15 minute, the 60 minute, and the 4 hour chart. But all right, here we go. There she goes. Now above the EMA, testing that EMA. Man, I can't believe how this thing wicked here. I mean, that was that was a wicked wick. Wick above the VWAP and then just rip lower. Oh, that's brutal. Hey, bipolar X Amish chicken rehab on coke. Jeez. Hey, good luck, Black Coffee. And here we go. Let's see if we get above. Can we get above the? Can we get above the EMA here? If we don't, I will take another stab at this if we start selling back down. But very carefully. I'm going to be careful. Oh, wow. Okay, testing VWAP now. We need to get above excuse me. Excuse me. All right, here we go. Testing the 330s. We got the IB mid here, the 335s. We got to get above that 335, push above the 40s for this to really have any valid chance of making a move. It's just yeah, it's wiggity wiggity whack. It does feel like it. This is one of those days where we might just might have been better off just chilling. All right, VWAP, come on. What are we doing? My entry would be right here if we go lower. We're going to take profit right here. Hello? Man, I don't know that I like this trade. I got to have my stop right. I should have my stop like right there. Almost need to be looking for to take profit down here. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I mean, I could take the setup right here. All right, it is what it is. Let's get a big, come on, just continue lower. Do not give me the wicks. Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy. Uh-oh. Oh, it did it again. This will be the last trade of the day if we get stopped out. For sure. Really need this thing to lose. This. No, we just wait. Come on, push right here. Come on, big red candle. Let's go. Can it do it? Flush it. Oh, no, it can't do it. This is so hard not to just cut. This is really hard for me not to. It's really hard for me to hold this. Every bone in my body wants to get out of this trade right now. Every single bone. No way. Come on. I'll be right back. I'm here to take it like a man. Oh, man. Should have just taken my small win there, huh? I guess. Maybe. Hmm. All right, market, come on. Do me a solid. Do I just kill this at break even at this point? Hmm. I mean, the thing is, I still like a short. If I just look at the market and I just remain objective, stay level headed, I still think a short here is, I like it. We have not been able to get above the VWAP and hold it. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold. Rip it. Lower. Flush it. Come on. Do it. And do it now. This is orders from headquarters. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Do not, for the love of everything holy, please do not fake out again. Continue lower. This is breathing and relaxing exercises. I don't know. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know that I have it in me. Uh-uh. I can't. I give up. I officially give up. I will. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Oh no. What? I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. It's okay. I know I'm going to look back and be like, why the heck did I not hold? I know that's going to happen. I know it. It's going to hit my profit. Would have hit my profit target. I know it. But it's okay. It's okay. Now I'm okay. I'm regardless what happens. That was rough. That was rough. That was rough. We were very, 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 very close to getting stopped out right there. And I was having some unpleasant thoughts there for a second. Yeah, I'm lucky it didn't stop me out. Exactly. It was close. Very close. Yeah, that was hard. All right. I'm not going to continue trading in this mess, okay? That is my commitment. My commitment is I am not trading in this consolidation anymore. No more trades. We got to either break down below through the 80s and before I look for another short, or we got to break above the 35-40 area here before we look for a long. That's the rules. But yeah, here we go. This would have hit my profit target right here. My profit target was right like where my line is. is where my profit target was. How did I choose my target? I mean, I was just looking for the lows, just to retest these lows. That's all. I've seen better price action at 2 in the morning. Yeah, exactly. I agree. Hey, Alpine. I didn't even see you, Alpine. How we doing, bud? Good to see you. I saw you were you had a nice profitable day. I love to see it. Not to see just top tick stop loss and missed TP by 3 ticks. Oh, whatever happened, nicely done. I'm pretty sure that if they would look at the history of day traders, we probably have like a 10-year shorter lifespan than the normal human, just because of all the stress we go through when we're in a trade. Yeah, Mr. Pushup, I'm starting to think we are going to just have some yucky sideways price action today. It could be worse. We could be down 1,000 right now. We could easily be down 1,000 per account right now. We were about 3-4 ticks away from being down 1,000. What was the app I used to lock out my accounts for the day, Felipe? Guardian Angel Trader. I still use it. Yeah, good day to get in some push-ups. Oh. We just cannot get above the VWAP, but we also can't make new lows. John from Barry. It's okay. I'm hoping for a clean exit by heart attack rather than being sick and suffering for months. My take profit age 75 and quick exit. Jeez. Oh man, my chat is something special. I tell you what. Trading really has damaged my heart. Yeah, agree. No partial fills for John. John doesn't want partial fills. That's so true. Chat is undefeated today. Chat is undefeated. Oh man, too funny. Get long on YM. You can't lose. Oh, wow. I would probably have to disagree with that. What are we doing, market? Oh, man. Yeah, Matty Matt, tell me about it. This is absolute nonsense. Could not agree more. See, right here should be another short, but I'm not going to do it. We're going to stick to what I said. No trading in this consolidation. It's just going to make me lose hair. It's going to make me go bald and go gray. I already have some gray hair, so I don't need more. Learning to make 2 trades max with 10-point gains a day. No need to go through stress for 6+ hours. Hey, I hear you, man. I'm all for that kind of life. If my first trade would have been a winner, I think that's where we'd be at today. Oh, really, Matty Matt? Oh, yeah, that's what's the problem. Oftentimes when this kind of chop starts, and then for some reason, when you start trading the chop, for some reason you can't stop yourself, because then you're just, I think it's because you try to revenge trade and then you just start to go on tilt when this kind of chop happens. And, or at least for me, what would always put me completely in a terrible state of mind for trading is when this kind of chop starts happening, and then I would try to predict the breakouts. So in other words, I'd go short down here at the bottom and it would rip higher, and then up here it would break out and I'd be like, oh, okay, you want to go long? Okay, then I flip my position up here only to go lower. Like, oh, that is the worst. That is the absolute worst. When you start trading that, if you start trading that way, oh man, that puts me on tilt so quickly. It is mind-boggling how fast I will go on tilt when I start doing that. So that is one reason, like one of my rules is to not trade breakouts, not to trade breakouts. And that's why. Not because I don't think, I mean, I think trading breakouts can be profitable, obviously. But for me, when I try to trade breakouts and then it traps me, ooh, it just triggers me. Oh, it triggers me. It triggers me and I end up going on tilt. All right, moving lower. See what she's gonna do. Are we gonna rip this thing? Hey, Pro Trader Mike, how we doing? Instead of going long and short and playing, you should specialize in one direction and get really good at it. Yeah. Okay, you'd think we're going to move lower here at some point. Yeah, breakouts fail more than they work. I agree. If I live stream or have guests, Pro Trader Mike, I don't. I mean, I've traded with, or I've had talks with Alpine before, but I just don't feel like it's kind of difficult to. I don't know. I just think it's kind of hard to do that. And back up we go. You just did an insane analysis with a small data set about short long on my X. Okay. Yeah, equalizer. I agree. Oh, Matty Matt, I forgot about that. Oh man, I actually forgot about that. You always try to trade the counter trend. Yeah, that can be dangerous as well. Oh, really? Trading is funny. That's crazy. I'm not sure, like, I'm just not a huge fan of like trading together with other people, because I would always feel like I would get influenced by the other person, or like, I don't know. I just feel like it could mess that up. There you go. Trading is funny. There's nothing wrong with that. If you see that you trade way better on downtrends, or you trade way better on shorts than longs, try it out for 2 weeks. Try it out for 2 weeks and only look for short setups. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Patrick Whelan stream in Florida. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that's probably not gonna happen. But you never know. Never say never, I guess. I would consider doing it for $800. I mean, this price action is something else. All right, are we gonna rip lower here? It looks like we might. It looks like we might finally do it. Or not. Man, I might. UCLA trades. I get a kick out of Rips and Patrick Whelan's beef. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny to me. I get a kick out of it. All right. We are about to make new lows here. Let's just wait and see. There she goes. Down below the 280s. And immediately a bounce. Just choppy. Oh, choppy. Yeah. Man, this is some brutal, brutal, brutal price action here. What are we even doing here? Are we gonna rip it? It looks like we might. Man, I'm so getting close to taking a trade long here. If we don't make new lows here. We made new lows. I'm not interested, but man, this is too good not to. Okay, is it gonna hold? I'm not interested. Looks like we're going lower. There it goes. Down 270s, 260s, 265s. I don't know, man. I should just give up here. Ooh. I guess we got to look for shorts. I guess. I mean, I gotta follow the plan here. And I can't start trying to pick the bottoms. We all know how that is. We all know how that ends. Does not end well. And we just, yeah, there it goes down through the 260s now. Again, here we have some support here at the 260s and then some support at the 240s. And then we got support at the 200s. Man, I want to go long right here so bad. Oh. Hmm. Man, I don't even know if this is worth is this worth trying to trade and try to be is this worth being patient and waiting, or do we just give up? Give up and call it a day. I'm seriously thinking about doing that. I know as soon as I do that, we're going to break out probably to the upside. That's going to upset me a little bit. Patience patience is key. Been doing this thing last few days where it makes new lows and then pump loads drops again. Yeah, Jam Bear, 100% agree. Kind of gives you that little like, and it's also kind of how the price is acting. Like it'll really give a spike higher, like it's going to make a move higher, but then it just dies. Like right here, like this was a big spike higher, and then it just boom dies, and then it rips lower again. I am not a fan of that kind of price action at all. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. Maybe by then, maybe the market will make up its mind what it wants to do. And I'll be back. But this is just, ugh. Well, maybe, let's see if this breaks down through the 260s here. Looks like it might. All right, guys. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. I'll be back. All right, we're back. What's happening? Oh, looks like we're going higher, huh? Do something. I'm gonna eat some chicken nuggets. Yes, I do have a code. I think it's Nutty Bar 20. Nutty Bar 20 should work. Hey, we're getting our first bounce here. Maybe. Is this gonna make a move here? Yes, Lewis. This week we've been getting some nice rain finally. Oh, really? Perfect play? I don't remember. Let me no, let me double check. Yeah, I'm not sure. Perfect play. Send it again. I should, yes, ace undercover. Nutty Bar 20 should get you 20% off. Oh no, Matt. Oh, Matt, no. Oh man. I'm so sorry, bud. That is, man, that sucks. It's one thing to blow up when you just trade bad. It's a whole different thing when you blow up because you accidentally had an order out or something like that. Oh, that is brutal. Equalizer. I can neither confirm nor deny that. Wow. But yeah, I agree, design. When you accidentally have orders out there, it never goes in your favor. Never. Really, least estimator? Hmm. Hmm. Nice, DL. Nice. Yeah, today's just seems like it's going to be another day of just the downtrend. And now we're testing that 240 support. 280s, that's a 40-point rip lower. Today's price action's pretty rough. Pretty rough. Yeah, it is brutal today. I guess we should. I really don't know what to do here. Could have taken a short right here at the 260s. See if we get any. Do we get anything here? Yeah, Matty Matt, that's okay too. It's okay to take a break, but man, that sucks. That really sucks. When you get to 26.6 on the $25,000 PA account, should show on the payout request. So you have to have 10 traded days, but then as of now, the payout request dates are from the 1st through the 5th and the 15th through the 20th. So you have to be in that time frame in order to actually be able to request your payout. Is Apex finally going to make changes? I guess we'll wait and see, guys. I cannot confirm nor deny. Had 65 days to trade till the end of the year. That is crazy, actually. It's crazy it's not that much. You know what's really crazy? Literally in a month, we are going to be heading to Florida. Unreal. Man, I just don't know. Trying to really just, I don't know, this is probably not a good thing because I want to keep trading because I really, really wanted to end the day. I wanted to be green today, but I know that can end up very badly as well. It's like right on that verge where I feel like I should just call it a day. Let's see if we test this EMA again. We might take another stab at it short. Come on. If I'm not 100% feeling it, stop. I mean, I feel okay with a short. The shorts are definitely the play. I'm just worried that we're gonna do that V-shaped reversal as soon as I get in. But I mean, this price action isn't great, but it is actually it isn't terrible for my setups if I just take it. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna hang around here for a little bit yet. See what we do. I think we might go down and test out that 20. We might test the 200s here today. That's kind of my thoughts. All right, let's see if we continue to make new lows here. It's just one of those slow and steady moves lower. No, micro player. I don't have a strategy video. I don't plan to do one. I don't want to. I don't know. It just feels weird doing a strategy video. Like, I don't know. Makes it seem like I know what I'm doing. When there's obviously times when I don't know what I'm doing. But I do, in my mind, in my brain, I know what a good setup looks like. And I mean, it's very simple. I trade pullbacks and I go with the trend. Trade with a trend, wait on pullbacks, and then enter on a good signal entry. That's really what it is. It's nothing. It's probably as simple of a strategy that is out there, I think, because complicated strategies, I'm not smart enough to understand them, so I don't trade them. We keep it simple. The 2314s, I mean, the thing is, if we get a move all the way up here to the VWAP, see, then I think we actually get a move continuing higher. If we move up to the EMA here, and then we see weakness, and I have a good entry short, that's what I'll take. Because I do think we're going to head lower. I do think we will continue to go lower, but at the same time, I don't know. Yeah, I do remember Diego. See, that is crazy though, like how much I've evolved. And like, because I remember in the very beginning, some of you guys will remember, in the very beginning, I was trading the trap setups, or like, what was that? What is it called that Apex has? What is that system called? Come on, someone knows what I mean. Sniper, yes, the sniper system that Apex has, and I was trading that in the beginning, and then from there I went to ES, and I was trying to do like the second entry stuff. And then from there, I was trying to do. At one time, I was trying to do like this mechanical entry on trap setups. I tried that. Man, what else did I try? Oh, there was. Oh, at one point, I was trading levels, quite a bit of levels. Like I would try to trade different levels that I would have, and I never really, I mean, it just never felt right. And not until it was, I don't even know how long ago it was, but it was like, well, I want to say November, December of last year, where I basically was like, okay, I'm not even sure I'm not sure someone didn't tell me this, or I heard it from someone. Then basically the theory was, if you think, like, in your mind, visualize a trade where you feel really confident, like you just know when you see it, it's a good entry. Like, you see it and you don't hesitate, you take the trade. And it was a pretty simple answer for me. It was the pullback entry with a really good entry bar for my entry. So I was like, since then, I mean, I don't, here's the problem. I would trade a lot of other things. And lately now, I'm trying to do a better job of only trading that setup and not trying to trade breakouts, not trying to trade all the other stuff, and only looking to trade that one setup that I really like. And I do like that does feels a lot better. Man, see right here. Out with 5 points. Let's go, Shrews. I think the biggest thing I've seen you do is just loss management, allowing you to stay calm and bounce back. Agree, Mr. Push Up. I agree. I definitely do a better job of just taking my loss. And even the other thing I feel like I'm doing better recently is, even if I take a loss, I get stopped out. If there's a re-entry, just to take it again. Like today. Like this here, I mean, I like this setup. I like the short trade, but we just got stopped out. I mean, I don't know. It's just unfortunate. And we entered again. Now that trade ended up being a break-even trade, but we were in the profit of close to $200 at one point. So it was still a good trade, but that's something I feel more confident with doing as well, is just, if the trade is still a good trade and it reconfirms, just take it. All right, we are testing that EMA now. I want to see, and I want to wait here. All right, let's see. The seller's left for lunch. It could be. See, now I should take this trade right here. All right, we're going to take it. Hello? Why did it not fill me there? That was crazy. It literally went through my take profit, didn't it? Sure looked like it. That was a terrible fill. This is also where sometimes I wish I would trade with 2 contracts, because I could get my scalp of 22 ticks and then I could just try to get a runner going. I feel like I don't have enough drawdown on these accounts to trade with 2 minis, so that's why I'm not doing that. But once we get these accounts a little bit bigger balance, then I am definitely going to do that. Instead of the drone, buy this. Ooh, well, let me see. What do we got? Oh my, what? That's got to be a custom made thing, right? That is crazy. That's pretty cool, though. That is insane. Wait, he can sit in it? Oh, I thought it was remote controlled. Oh my stars, that's insane. All right, let's see if we go below the... Yep, there she goes again, new lows. Yeah, take it on Lake Erie. Yeah, that thing is cool. What is my max daily loss on these accounts? 6 to 800. 6 to 800 is when I shut it down for the day. Wow. I mean, we're just continuing to trend lower, I guess. We go with the trend, and if we get pullbacks, we take the entries, and it is what it is. It would be a little difficult to fish out of. It would be. Yeah, I know the versatility. John is like the encyclopedia of videos, D. If you want a video about something, you just ask John. He'll hook you up. He's like an encyclopedia of videos. By the way, guys, I would feel amiss if I didn't at least mention this today. Today could be, well, I guess Monday would be technically the last day, but September 30th, which is Monday at midnight, will be the last day that you can activate your funded accounts for $85 lifetime fee, any account size. I don't know that Apex is going to extend that sale or that promotion. So today, I guess Monday, technically you could still pass an eval. But if you're trying to take advantage of that $85 lifetime fee, just an FYI, just to make sure you know. Wow, there it goes. See, this is where I wish I could have had a runner here. Would have been really nice. But it is what it is. The slow grind lower continues. All right, here we go down through the 210s. This is very similar to yesterday. Not quite as big of a pullback that we had yesterday, but similar price action. You need a Lambo trade to start the weekend, right? Don't look to me. Don't look to me. What levels do I use on my chart now? The only thing that I really highlight is I just use the initial imbalance indicator here. I have the initial balance high and the 15-minute opening range high and low, the session high and low, the overnight high and low. That's really what I have on my chart that I really pay attention, I guess. Hey, let's go UCLA trades. By the way, UCLA trades, are you currently on the top stem hot streak or the top step hot streak list? I saw that they had a guy on the hot streak that all he does is make he's on a 57-day hot streak and he just makes like $20 a day and calls it $20 a day. That's it. I love it. Apex allowed to micro scalp. Yeah, you can micro scalp no matter how many points you grab nor the time limit you take on a position. Yeah, there's no rules on scalping or time in a trade. They said I need at least $200 5 days. Really? The other guy doesn't, I don't think, unless he had earlier. No, he doesn't. The other guy has literally 57 days traded of a green streak, and he's only up $780. That's like $15 a day. There's no way that he's doing $200 in 5 days. No way. All right, here we go again. We tested the 210s. This is where I start getting nervous about continuing to trust the downtrend. This is where I start getting nervous. Because I'm like, okay, is it actually going to keep going lower? Is it really? I feel like it's due. I feel like it's due to do a V-shaped move, but hey, he got $200 days. Yeah, I know. What in the world is that guy? That guy, how he made this thing is crazy. He made that thing out of concrete? That is That is impressive. Yeah, Francis, I do too. I hope Apex just doesn't even do the monthly fees anymore and they just keep everything as $85 monthly. I hope, but I wouldn't hold my breath on it. I wouldn't hold my breath. Man, do I take this? Like right here would be the next short. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Man, that guy making that thing that's crazy. That's crazy. I love that. I love those kind of videos. Hey, Joseph, just secured a 2K Apex payout on this grinding dump. Let's go. Nicely done, Joseph Williams. Nicely done. I love it. I love it. Jam Bear, I have not. I have not. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep pushing for it. They said they want to do it, but now they don't have time. I said, hey, I guess whenever they find time to do it, I'll do it. But if not, I'm not gonna keep bugging them. I guess we just keep grinding lower. Hang on one second. And we're back. This trade might test us. It's going to test our patience here. Feels like. Ah. It's not looking good. Not looking good. Oh, man. This is one of those times where I might not have a big enough stop loss, but if I don't know. I don't want to move it. I might give it just a little bit more wiggle room, but friend is your trend. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. Everybody say it together. Starting to make me it's gonna test our patience. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. The moment of truth. The moment of truth is here. This is not yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. Yep. Feels bad. How did that not hit or stop? Okay, there it is. Oh, the V got us. I don't know. The V shape got us. The V got us. Hey, who's checking points? Man, feels bad. All right. Wow, it does look promising now for a V. The V shape is here. The V shape might be here, folks. Hey, Hold it, Matty Matt. You are crazy. Yeah, I know, Stint. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not. It is what it is. I'm not that upset about taking that trade. But I think we're going to call it here, folks. I think we are going to call it. I am not going to. We could take another trade, but I don't think that's a good idea. I am going to shut down trading for the day. This is where using Guardian Angel Trader, shutting down my trading for until the next day. No temptations. I don't even consider it. All right. Nobody likes a quitter. I know. This is not how I wanted it to end, trust me. Dang. We were one trade away from back to green. That sucks. But that'll be a red week. Unfortunate. And we still have plenty of drawdown left here, but man, we need to start. I don't feel like I'm trading badly, just taking some losses. I am starting to really evaluate if maybe I should have a little bit tighter stop loss with the consensus that I can always re-enter. But anyway, I'm going to call it there, folks. It's a little bit early, but there's just no need to continue. And actually, we're going, I'm going to go to Top Golf tonight. That'll be fun. And we'll be back Monday. Take care, everyone. Hope you all have a green day. And I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Take care, and God bless.